Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick to find the sales of the last product in your list using the offset and COUNTA functions in Excel. Let's get started. Here we have our data table with various products and their sales figures. Our goal is to find the sales value of the last product in this list. To get the sales of the last product, we'll use the formula equals offset, open bracket, sale header, comma, COUNTA, open bracket, product ID range, close bracket, comma, 0, bracket close. Press enter. Excel gives us the sales figure of the last product in the list. Simple as that. Let me break it down for you. First, we start with the offset function. Our reference point is cell H1, which is the header of our sales column. Next, we use COUNTA to count the number of entries in column A, from A2 to A11. This tells us how many rows we need to move down from H1. Finally, we use 0 as the column offset because we don't need to move left or right. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.